Welcome! If you'd like to see the easiest way how to switch rows and columns in Excel, you're in the right place. Just keep watching. To switch rows and columns in Excel, select the area you want to switch in the first place. Right-click on the selected part and click on Copy. After that, click on the cell where you want to place the upper left-hand corner of the area that will contain the switched rows and columns. Here, for example, we can click on the cell E2, do a right-click and select Paste Special, and then Paste Special again. Right there you'll find the function Transpose, which can switch rows and columns of a table. Select this function, hit OK, and that's it. A copy of the original data table has been created with its rows and columns switched. Remember, though, that this transpose function is static, which means that if you decide to change a value in the source table, for instance in the cell C3, the value in the switch table, in this case the cell F3, will stay unchanged.